The future of AI is here, and it's time to explore the exciting developments shaping the industry. Nvidia, a leading player, has unveiled its vision for an AI factory, and it's an intriguing concept. But here's where it gets controversial. Is the industry ready for such a specialized approach? Let's dive in. Nvidia's AI revolution, unveiling the Rubin CPX. At the Infra AI Global Summit 25, Nvidia made a bold move by announcing the Rubin CPX, a new addition to its Vera Rubin data center AI family. This innovation aims to revolutionize high-value inference content generation, offering a cost-efficient solution. The real game-changer? It seamlessly integrates into Nvidia's multi-AI GPU data center infrastructure, a true testament to their forward-thinking approach. The AI Inference Accelerator, a necessary evolution. Tirias Research, with its extensive experience consulting for Nvidia and other AI giants, has long predicted the need for diverse AI inference accelerators. The reasoning is simple. No two AI models are alike. As AI adoption grows, optimizing hardware around specific models becomes crucial. However, GPUs remain a top choice for both AI training and inference, and here's why. 1. The semiconductor industry's pendulum. Tech industries experience rapid innovation phases, followed by standardization. At this stage, optimizing tasks with dedicated ASICs makes sense. But with AI's rapid evolution, GPUs offer a more practical solution for most IA applications. 2. Multitasking GPUs. GPUs can handle multiple AI models simultaneously, debunking the myth of an upcoming transition from AI training to inference. With models like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude already dominating the industry, inference processing is the norm. GPUs, with their programmable efficiency, are the go-to choice for generative and agentic AI. Nvidia's AI data center build-out, a comprehensive approach. At GTC 2025, Nvidia showcased its commitment to AI-centric data centers. Key technologies like the NVL144 rack design, KV cache, and Dynamo were introduced. These innovations, coupled with enhanced networking technologies, form the backbone of Nvidia's AI data centers. The company's data center blueprints, running on Omniverse, provide a digital twin for designing and operating these AI factories. Introducing the Rubin CPX, a contextual inference accelerator. The Rubin CPX is Nvidia's latest AI GPU inference accelerator, designed for complex tasks like software development, video generation, and research. It works in harmony with the Vera CPU and Rubin AI GPU, handling large data volumes and contextual inputs. With 128 gigabytes of GDDR7 memory and hardware encode-decode engines, the Rubin CPX excels in memory-intensive tasks. It achieves 30 petaflops of performance, a significant improvement over previous models, and can process a 1 million token context window. The Vera Rubin NVL144 CPX, a powerful configuration. Nvidia plans to offer the Rubin CPX in two configurations, integrated with the Vera CPU and Rubin AI GPU in the Vera Rubin NVL144 CPX rack, or as a separate accelerator rack. The Vera Rubin NVL144 CPX rack boasts an impressive setup. 36 Vera CPUs, 144 Rubin AI GPUs, and 144 Rubin CPXs, with 100 terabytes of high-speed memory and 1.7 petabytes per second of memory bandwidth. This configuration delivers 8 exaflops of NVFP4 performance, a massive leap forward. The future of AI processing, specialized solutions. The Rubin CPX is just the beginning. Nvidia is likely to introduce more AI GPU architectures tailored to different AI processing segments, such as smaller AI models. We might even see specialized CPX solutions for highly specific applications. AI is diverse, and optimizing accelerators is just one piece of the puzzle. Nvidia's focus on the entire data center as a unified system ensures maximum performance efficiency and ROI. The AI GPU evolution, a necessary annual cadence? As AI innovation accelerates, the industry's demand for new AI GPUs becomes more apparent. The question remains, is an annual release cycle necessary? Share your thoughts in the comments. Nvidia's vision for an AI factory is an ambitious one, and it raises intriguing questions about the future of AI processing. What are your thoughts on this evolving landscape?